Hey there YouTube, good evening. Today I thought I would show you how I eat my cherries. I love my cherries, especially this time of the year when they're super cheap. They're running about $1.99 a pound right now at their lowest. So anyways, what I use to eat my cherries is one of these metal folding strainer baskets. You could get one of these used at your local garage sale, estate sales, or you could find one at the thrift shop. You could find one of these brand new for like under $5, I think, probably. I don't know what they cost new. I bought this one used. So anyways, when I'm ready to eat my cherries, I put them on the strainer basket and I run them underneath cold water to rinse them off. And when I'm done rinsing them off, I just put them off to one side and I pick them. And as I'm eating them, when I get done, I spit the pits out on the other side of the basket. And I also put the stems there too. And when I'm done, I just empty the basket out into the trash and rinse it off for the next time. And anyways, I know this is a weird video, but if it helps you out, awesome. And that concludes the video. Bye.